shake your head all around for the full outfit. Is that okay? Too tight? Belly button? Is your belly button in there? Okay, now take a couple steps, Katie. Take a couple steps.
Get me out. Me out. You'll know where I am. It will be easy to edit me out. Oh, yo.
You look like you were having a great time.
Yeah.
Thought you maybe were going to fall asleep up there because you were just cruising along so much. Did you enjoy it?
Yeah. Are you up next? Yeah, it's really fun. Yeah.
What animal were you? Were you a squirrel?
Oh, I was telling them to be an ape.
Like, were you scared before you went? No?
No
Like-
heebie-jeebies?
No. So you want to do it again if you could right now? It's really fun. You want to try? I don't know.
Was it a lot of fun?
Yeah.
Was it your first time or have you done this before?
I've done this once.
Okay, so you're a bit of a pro.
I wouldn't say that. Scared of heights, so no.
Oh, are you going to try it as well?
I'm going to watch this time. Yeah.
Okay. A spectator with some cheering, some applause. We can hear from you. How about yourself?
Same as her. Way too scared for this stuff.
Something else later. Sakina, how about yourself?
Yeah, I'm trying for the first time.
Artistic interpretation.
No kidding.
Put those arms out like you're flying.